IFRS 18 and its impact on financial reporting. Welcome to our IFRS 18 training. By the end of this training, you will understand key reforms introduced by IFRS 18. Recognize the importance of transparency in financial reporting. Learn how to apply the new income statement structure. Identify implications of stricter disclosure rules for companies. Here are the critical reforms and their impacts. The new income statement structure enhances clarity and usability. How to structure. Organize into 4 clear categories. Action. Implement the new income statement format. Management performance measures must be well defined to avoid confusion. How to define. Clearly justify non-GAAP measures. Action. Ensure transparency in financial metrics. Stricter disclosure rules ensure no hidden losses. How to disclose. Follow stricter guidelines for financial clarity. Action. Make all disclosures clear and detailed. IFRS 18 fosters trust and improves market efficiency. How to build trust. Enhance investor confidence through transparency. Action. Commit to clear and honest reporting. Now let's explore our knowledge through real-world scenarios. A company shifts from IAS 1 to IFRS 18. How does this affect its reporting? Pause and review. How is the financial statement structured? Your actions should be: analyze the changes and their implications. An investor examines 2 firms using IFRS 18. What should be considered? Pause and compare. How do 2 companies' reports stack up? If the answer is unclear, use IFRS 18 to assess and compare. A firm faces scrutiny for unclear disclosures under IAS 1. How should this be handled? Pause and investigate. What disclosures are lacking? Your action should be: report any vague disclosures to management. Let's recap. IFRS 18 improves clarity in financial reporting. Companies must justify non-GAAP measures transparently. Transparency in disclosures is now essential. The effective date for IFRS 18 is January 1, 2027. Prepare now. By reviewing your financial practices and considering early adoption strategies. Thank you for participating in our IFRS 18 training.